Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 14 March and today's video topic is a daemon thread and a thread scheduler in Java. In that first we see what is daemon thread. The daemon thread in Java, the daemon thread in Java is the low priority thread that run in the background to perform tasks such as garbage collection. The daemon thread in Java is also a service provider, thread that provides services so that user thread its life depend on the mercy of the user thread. That is, when all the user thread die, the JVM terminates this thread automatically. Then, in simple word, we can say that it provides services to user thread for background supporting task. This is the task of your daemon thread. It has no role in life other than to serve a user thread. Then we see example of daemon thread. Daemon thread in Java use it is a garbage collection in Java GC, finalizer, etc. Then we see properties of Java daemon thread. The daemon thread they can not prevent the JVM from existing when all the user thread finish their execution. JVM terminates itself when all user thread finish their execution. Then, if JVM find a running a daemon thread, it terminate the thread that after shut down it. The JVM doesn't care whether the daemon thread is running or not. Then at most low priority thread. Then default nature of daemon thread. By default, the main thread is always non-daemon, but for all the remaining thread, daemon nature will be inherited from the parent to child. That is, if the parent is daemon, the child is also a daemon, and if the parent is non-daemon, then child is also non-daemon. That's all about the daemon thread. Then we see the thread scheduler in Java. Uh, in The thread scheduler in a component of Java that decide which thread to run or execute and which thread to wait. It is called thread scheduler in Java. It is all depend on thread scheduler which thread run or wait. Then in Java, the thread is only chosen by a thread scheduler if it is the runnable state. However, if there is more than one thread in the runnable state, if is up to thread scheduler to back on the thread and ignore the other ones. There are also criteria that decide which thread will execute first. There are two factors for scheduling the thread. That is the low priority and time arrival. Then we see priority. In priority, the priority of each thread lies between 1 to 10. If the thread has a higher priority, it means that thread has got a better chance to getting picked up by the thread scheduler. Uh, then, uh, then next, time arrival. Suppose two thread of same priority, either the running state, then the priority cannot be a factor to pick a thread from these two thread. In such case, arrival time of the thread is considered by the thread scheduler. The thread scheduler that arrived first get the uh, preference over the other thread. The in thread scheduler, that's all about the thread scheduler. Thank you.